Hi guys, let's take a look what's going on in our workshop today. And I'm on the way to transform my small workshop to a kind of small studio as well. I already set up some lights and put a camera. It's a DSLR camera, and I'm going to do another videos like always. We're going to build a new robot. We're going to build it together, and this project will be really special, and we will bring this new guy to life together. And you can see his head. You can even imagine how big this guy will be. We're not that big like Eddie, or not that small like Winnie. I already print some parts, but not everything is printed yet, not everything is assembled yet. We'll go through design, we'll go through building, assembling, through electronics, through the hardware, through the coding, and we're going to build this project now together. And I will make like kind of series, and in each video you will see something new. I hope you will learn something, how I can show you how to do the things.